Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to write different types of forms. So let's get started. So here's the basic form tag. Then form action equals to double inverted comma and then your page. That's example my form submitting page. Let's that and there is a method. So method would be get or post. Here we have post and then your comment. Let's say anything, so all inputs will come inside the form tag. So and then close the form tag. So action, the URL to send the form data to method. What is method? The type of HTTP request. So here we have a different type of input tags. So input type equals to text and input type equals to like date over here. Input type equals to color, so here is color. Input type equals to file, here is file, and then checkbox. So you can see that it's very useful it's used in various websites, so we can learn it. So we will see all types of input types, so let's get started. So here is a summary. Objectives: use the form opening closing tag, use the input tag, use the label and closing tag, and then write simple validations. So you can see that it's just a teaser. I've created this a simple form, h1 sign in. So here's a heading and then form action equals to sign in URL. So here's a URL, then method equals to post, and then input type equals to text. So here is our text box, and the input type equals to password. Here is password box, and then button over here is login. So in future lectures, I will teach you how to write every form. So do please subscribe my channel and like the video to motivate me in creating such videos. So guys, it's Ahmad signing off.